you can find what you have lost. Search, you can find it. You cannot find what you have not lost. A simple logic. You cannot find what you have not lost. It is there. You have not lost. Don't believe that you have lost. This will mislead you. Don't believe that you have lost. The true knowledge of the self is not the knowledge. The true knowledge of the self is not the knowledge. It is something you don't find by searching it. It is not to be found in time and space. Whatever you find in time and space, that kind of knowledge is only a memory. It's only a pattern, memory. It's a mental habit motivated by your pain and pleasure. Your book knowledge is useful in the beginning. You must give it up for direct, personal, direct experience which is inexplainable. You won't get it in the book. In the beginning you need a book. Later you have to drop for the personal experience, for your real experience, direct experience. You have to drop the book knowledge. Whatever you have achieved so far, you may lost everything. Realize the peace, realize the bliss that you have never lost. There is no need to search for it. It remains with you. The peace will be always with you. It remains with you. In life, nothing can be had without going through the obstacles. Bhava, bhaya is the obstacle. You have to go through the obstacle. Bhava is desire. Bhaya is fear. Desire for pleasure and fear of pain is an obstacle. Both pain and pleasure will come together. That is the beauty. If you are free from one, you are free from both. If you don't care for pleasure, you will not be afraid of pain. Because the bliss is beyond these two. These two are of the mind. Pain and pleasure is two sides of the same coin. It's of the mind. Bliss is beyond pleasure and pain. Realize there is no need to search. This bliss is beyond subject and object. The pain and pleasure is from the ignorance of reality. You don't know what real bliss is. That is why there is pain and pleasure. It is not from reality. It is ignorance. It has come from ignorance of reality. You may follow many teachers. Nowadays, when you take your phone, there are many teachers are ready to teach you. Many gurus. You may follow many gurus, many teachers, study many doctrines, follow many schools. Nobody will give you really what you wanted. Nobody will give you. The desire to find yourself will be fulfilled. Surely it will be fulfilled, provided you want only nothing else, only this one. You want nothing else, only this. You should not, you must not, you must be honest. You must not cheat yourself. You must be honest that you want only this, nothing else. In the meantime, if you want many things, and if you go behind many things, in search of many things, in pursuit of many desire, obviously your main purpose, it will be delayed. It may delay because of your torn between the contradictory desires and urges. Go in. Don't find outside. You won't get it. Go in. Go inward without ever looking outward. If you have undertaken any job outside, finish it, complete it. Don't take up new task unless it is called for a concrete situation. Till then, just go in. Find it is there. There is no need to search outside.